All right, hey guys. So I want to show you something super basic, but it's very important, and it's just really a great tool for going into your site and re-optimizing it. So what you want to do is, if you don't already have Google Search Console set up, I do have a video on that. You want to go into your Google Search Console dashboard. You go to Performance, and this is assuming that you already have, a ton of content already on your site, and you're beginning to start to rank, which is this site is, that's what basically is happening. It's ranking. I'm starting to see the impressions are building up, and it's starting to really generate traffic. Now, then you go to queries, and you scroll down, and you start to just look at some of your basic queries, and some things maybe that aren't really getting that many clicks. Maybe they have, some impressions. Like, for example, web design company in New Jersey. So right now I have one click for that search term, and I have 29 impressions. So what you could do is you could go find out what page that is coming from, and you go back into your site and you re-optimize it for that particular search term. So you might want to change a few of the terms around, but this is just a great way to go into a site that's already beginning to perform and to re-optimize it and to really leverage the traffic that you're already getting. All right, see you soon. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to follow me on social media. Reach out to me with any questions. See you guys soon.